So most people solve this question like cancel this 8 by 8 is equal to 8 divided by 1, right? Now 8 divided by 1 is equal to also 8. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is synthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So here we have one division and here multiplication, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So now 8. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 8 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this second fraction 1 upon 8 is equal to 8 upon 1. Multiply 8. So now 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. So we can remove this one, right? Now 8 multiply 8 is equal to 64. Multiply 8. Right? So now 64 multiply 8 is equal to 512. So the correct answer is 512, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.